Hey guys, this is part 5 of making a website for completely free. So this is going to be really cool. So we're going to add a map to our Google site. So what we're going to do first is we're going to click Google and we're going to go to Google My Maps. Whoops. My Maps. Wonderful. And we're going to click the very first thing that shows up. Then we're going to click Create a New Map. Wonderful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the name of the map, just because we probably should do that. Since my site is based off of bananas, we're probably going to do, I don't know, bananas are cool. It could be whatever though, you know what I mean? You have creative freedom to do whatever. Inscription, I don't know, I'm too lazy. There we go. That's the description for you. You guys don't have to change it, you can just keep it as that if you'd really like, but we're not going to do that. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys a few things you can do. You can add measurements, you can add directions to your place, you can draw lines, and you can do markers, which is what we're going to do right now. So, since our website is based off bananas, we're going to do that. Keep in mind, just type whatever thing you want, you know what I mean? It should show up. If it doesn't show up, you're just going to have to try and write the address into it. But, you know, it won't be hard, I'm sure. So, we're going to do bananas. And I don't know, let's do this place in Texas. That's pretty cool. Everything's bigger in Texas. That rating isn't bigger, though. Bananas restaurant, that's pretty cool. Now we're going to click Add to Map. Boop. And now it's on our map. And we even got all this stuff. We got the ratings, we got the phone numbers, and we got just a whole lot of cool stuff. And we can remove it. Let's say we don't want to show that stuff. You know, you don't have to show that. It also shows the coordinates of that exact place. So, pretty cool. You can also change the name as well as the description of it if you'd very like. And you can also try and change the design of the thing. So maybe you want your thing to be, I don't know, maybe you want it to be this color. You want it to be purple and you want it to be a question mark because, I don't know, you're confused. And now let's say you're done. You know what I mean? Just add as much as you guys want. You know what I mean? And you don't even have to update it, which is really cool. You know, once you add a new thing, it shows up on your site. So that's pretty cool. So we gotta publish our site. Oops, not that button. Every time I click the 3 dots, you click share. You click this button. You click this button. You can take this one off if you really like, but I don't recommend doing it. Then you click close. Then we're gonna go back up here. We're gonna click embed on my site. We're gonna click Control C, or however you copy and paste your stuff. Click OK. We're gonna go back over here. We're gonna click embed. And, oops, not URL. We're going to go over to embed code. We're going to paste it in there. We're going to click next. We're going to click insert. And boom, we got it right in here. Now, we can click preview and we can actually interact with it a little bit. We can move our fingers with it, which is really epic. I'm just using my fingers because this is a touchscreen computer. Whoops, I did not mean click that. We can go scroll in and we can go out. I just got that inverted. Oh well. We can see information on it. How does this has 4 views already? That's kind of crazy. But only you can mess with this. Don't worry. This is only because you made this site. Everyone else will just see the normal thing. It took me a few seconds to realize that, to be completely honest. So we added it, and that's literally it. If someone publishes your site, you can just see it, and it's really cool. I swear, it looks epic. Anyway, that's pretty much all we got for today. Make sure you guys watch my other videos in the series just to learn more and more, you know what I mean? We did a whole lot of stuff so far, as you can see, so I recommend clicking that playlist button. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something. Guess we're going to end the video here. Peace out.